Hey there, I'm Travis Studdard, a veterans disability attorney with Perkins law firm. There's several different types of VA disability benefits, but the one I'm going to talk to you about today is the one we're mainly focused on here at our firm, which is VA disability compensation. To get VA disability compensation, it's based on a medical condition or injury or disease that is connected to your military service. Now, these benefits are paid on a monthly basis to the qualified veteran, and they're paid on a percentage of disability, anywhere from 10% ranging up to 100%. Now, the basic requirements to get VA disability compensation. First off, you've got to meet the definition that VA has established for a veteran. That means you've got to have active duty military service, and also you have to have a discharge under conditions other than dishonorable. Now, most veterans, that's not going to be a problem if they've got an honorable discharge. The next step, you've got to show service connection of a disability, and that really is broken down into three separate parts. First, you've got to have an in-service event. That in-service event is an injury, a disease, or some other event that happened to you in the military. Some things are obvious, such as a gunshot wound in combat. Others are not quite as obvious to the veteran, such as Agent Orange exposure in Vietnam. At the time, it seemed like no big deal, but later on, we learned that there can be serious health consequences due to that exposure. Second, you got to show a current disability. If you're not disabled now, you're not going to be able to receive VA disability compensation for that condition. Now, it has to be disabling to some degree, but that doesn't mean it has to be 100% totally disabling. Remember, this is on a scale from 10% all the way up to 100%, so it doesn't have to be extremely severe in order to qualify you for benefits. As an example, many veterans have diabetes or due to Agent Orange exposure or tinnitus or hearing loss, and those still qualify them even though it's not totally severely disabling them. Third, you got to have nexus between that in-service event and the disability that you now have. Nexus simply means some sort of link or relationship between the two. This is where a lot of veterans fail to win their claim, and that's usually because they have weak medical evidence that's usually required to show the connection between the in-service event and the resulting current disability. Now, we'll have more videos that you can check out that'll go into more detail on each of these three areas. So check those out later on. Also, you can go to our website, winyourvetclaim.com, for more information, read our blogs. If you got questions, you can give us a call at 770-214-8885 or fill out a request for a free consultation on our website. We look forward to hearing from you.